Hello friends! Today we will crochet together a snowflake like a Christmas star. I have yarn art begonia and the size of my hook is 2.1. First of all, we make the first loop and then we crochet 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the first loop, we make a slip stitch and then we make a chain. In this ring, we crochet 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. In the first loop, right here, we make a slip stitch and a chain. In the next loop, we make a single crochet, 3 chains, a single crochet in the next loop, then single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, single crochet, and repeat till the end of this round. In the end of this round, we make a slip stitch in the first loop and then we make a slip stitch in the second loop and a slip stitch in the arch. And the next round will begin in this place. Then we make 3 chains, double crochet, 3 chains, double crochet in the arch, and another one in the arch. Then we continue to crochet in the next arch. We make 1 double crochet, then another double crochet, 3 chains, and in the same arch 2 double crochets, and repeat till the end of this round. We make a slip stitch in the third loop and then we make a chain. In the next loop, we crochet a single crochet in the arch. We make half double crochet, double crochet, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double crochet, half double crochet in the same arch. Then we make a single crochet in the next loop, another one in the next loop, a single crochet again, and in the next loop a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets, and then we crochet in the next arch. We make half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, double crochet, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets, and repeat till the end of the round. We make a slip stitch in the first loop of this round, and we make a slip stitch in the next loop and a chain. This is the beginning of the last round. So we make a single crochet, another one in the next loop, then we make 3 single crochets in the arch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 3 single crochets in the arch. Then we make a single crochet in this loop, in the next loop, and in the next loop. 1, 2, 3 after the arch. Then we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch in the first of these 4 chains, and then we make a single crochet in the third loop from this place, 1, 2 in the third, a single crochet like this, 1, 2 and 3. Then we make 3 single crochets in the arch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 in the same arch, then 3 single crochets in the next loops, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, a slip stitch in the first chain, and in the third loop a single crochet. And repeat till the end of the round. Then we make a slip stitch in the first loop on this round and hide the thread at the back side of the snowflake. And we have a simple and such a beautiful snowflake. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.